Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are on episode number 5. We are designing a Power BI dashboard. So if you work in a bank or you work with all these other systems, this one is for you. I had someone came to me on LinkedIn and asked me specifically to design this. So shout out to you. You know who you are. All right, guys, let's jump into this. Okay, guys, so I had previously already gotten a few things together so that I don't make this too long, so I don't make this too long. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to design each one of these really quickly so that you guys can see and test it out by yourselves as well. And then we'll put it all together on our canvas right over here, right? All right, let's get to this. So we already have here our search bar, right? Our search bar, I already got an icon and I got our text. Today we're going to use Urbanist. I got here our icon. Feel free to use any icon, and we have our search bar here. So what we're going to do for the search bar here, what you're basically going to do, press R for rectangle, do something like this, and then make your border radius there curve. 30 is too much, 20, I'd say 10, 15 maybe, something like that, right? And then you change the color, either use the eyedrop there, and then get the icon, whichever one it is that you use, put it to front there, and then T for text, click on it, search product here, ... and then put this on gray. Boom. That's how we get the search bar, guys. So let's take the search bar all the way up here. You guys remember this logo, right? We've designed this. I'm still to show you how to design this one on a later episode, but the one that we use for all our tutorials, basically, right? So we have it here, search. Let's put this a little bit further, something like that. Perfect. Now, you can delete this since you guys have seen how it is. Language. For example, what you can do is you can get a flag from the internet, right? Let me just get one here for us. USA flag. Give me a second, guys. USA flag. Boom. There's the flag. Right? You get the flag. And then make it smaller. I'll say something like that, right? And then O for circle. Take the circle, put it here. I'd say let's reduce it a little bit. You guys will understand where I want to get with this. Something like that. There. Now take the circle, right click, send to back, and then highlight both of these. Right click, make sure both of them are highlighted. Right click, use as mask. Boom. Perfect. Then you get a similar effect. And this one is just regular text, put it right next to it, and this one is regular icon, put it right next to it, right? Got it. Then we take this, put it here. Cool, guys. Let's go. Now we have our icon here. is we basically have our icon, our circle, and our square. I just put them all together. Icon, just download one. Circle, press O. Make sure that is right big to the point that you want it. Put it into color and do something like that. That is all. Put 6 here and another 6 there. And then square, R for square. Make sure both of them are the same size. You see both of them here, the width and height has to be the same since it's a square. They both have to be the same. So what do? Take this, press I, color, change radius, 5. Easy, easy, easy. Done, 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 guys. There we go. Delete this. And then here, same thing. Take an image of a person. The same thing that we did with the US flag. Take an image of the person. Let me give you an example. Just say person, image. Just take an image from FreePic. Let's see. Right in background. Right, just for you guys to see. Right? O for circle. Hold. Something like this. Make sure that the circle is always smaller than the image so that it can fit. Right? So we right click, send to back. Make sure we highlight both of them. Right click again, use as mask. Boom. That way we get this effect. Right? And then this is just plain text. Text on top of text. That's a T for text. Put the text there. And then there we go, guys. There we go. Cool. Now, let's go here. We have our dashboard, stock, order charts, cards, products, revenue, sources, top selling products, customers, and settings. And the last button, we have the logout, right? So I just decided to do this a little bit ahead of time so that I didn't want to make this tutorial too long, because when it comes to dashboards, we will get to a point where we're going to do the really in-depth dashboard. I'd say 3, 4, 5 pages. We'll get to that when the time comes. But then for these episodes, for the next few episodes, we're still baby step, guys. Baby step. I don't want to overwhelm you guys too much. So baby steps, we will get there. Right? So, okay. Let's take our icons here. Put it there. Let's take the stock icon. Put it there. Let's take the order charts icon. Put it there. Let's take the cards icon. Put it there. Products icon. Put it there. Revenue icon. Put it here. Sources. Top selling. Customers. Settings. And the final one, logout. This one, let's put it a little bit further than everyone else. Where is it? There we go. Make sure all of them are the same color except for the dashboard. The dashboard, it has to be white because that's the one that we have selected. I can actually delete this. Okay. Now, for this one, easy guys, R for rectangle. I drop color. Make sure the border is like 30 or 20, right? T for text. Total orders. Make sure it's in bold. Make sure it's in white. Copy paste, put it here. 18. Make sure it's like 20 or 30. I think 30 is the one that I use here. Right click from last week. Make sure this is like what, 15. Let's try 16. Let's try 12. I think it's 12. Unbold this, turn it into regular, put it here. And then last one is the green, 10.6%. Put it bold and try green. Let's see, the green. There we go. And then guys, just look for another two icons of this sort. In this case, since I already have them, I'll just copy paste them, put it here, right? Then boom, guys, everything else is just the same. Literally, it's just an exact replica, but it's just white instead of it's just white instead of. I want to challenge you guys, actually try this out and let me know in the comments. Try it out and let me know in the comments whether you've tried it, whether it was difficult, whether I'm giving you guys this challenge. Try this out and let me know in the comments, right? So yeah, try out the rest. I already gave you guys how to design the blue one, and then you can do the same for everything else. So I make sure everything is literally the same. You see there? Text, icon, text, icon, text, icon, text, icon, text, icon. Make sure you download the icons from an icon library. If you don't have one, I specifically use Noun Project, or I used huge icons from Figma right here. There's many others here from Figma, but those two are my personal favorites, right? You can have other ones as well. It's perfect. As long as they're all consistent with the design. If you download from one library, make sure you start and finish from that library. Don't jump around from different libraries, because it's going to be difficult and tough to design consistently if you have like different designs. Let's say the stroke is bigger in one. Let's say one is thinner, the other one is stronger. It's going to be a bit tough. So try to stay with one. Okay, cool. There we go. We can delete this. Now let's take these guys. These guys, by the way, are our total orders. Because Power BI focuses on that as well. Let's put it there. Total orders and revenue. Guys, if you want to get this done, you press R for rectangle, make it like that, make it white, border radius 30, 20, I think it's fine. Go to the internet, any image bank, and search for World Map SVG. World Map SVG, right? You download the World Map SVG so that when it downloads, you can edit it. See, you can color this gray, red, pink. Let's color Russia pink. Let's see, is this Russia? I'm not sure what country this is. Pink. Right, so that this can happen, right? So because SVG is editable, so we must make sure that it's SVG file format, and this will be the result, right? Delete this. Let's get this up here. Nice, guys. It's coming along. It's coming along. It's coming along. Like, Carlos, how do you do this? Okay, this one, R for rectangle. There. White. Border radius, let's try 30. Now, R for rectangle. Do something like that. Copy paste another one like that. And one of them put it on green, and then the other one put it on blue. Easy, guys, easy. R for rectangle. Same thing for the rest of them. T for text. Press here, total sales statistics. There we go. R for rectangle again, guys. Make sure that stays in the middle. You get that. And to do that effect, you press R. Border radius like 30. And color it in. And then copy paste it. That's how you do it. Let me know. Challenge again. Try it out, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think so that we can, if you have any other doubts or anything like that, drop it on the comments and then I'll reach out to you. I read all the comments, as few as they are, even by the time they get bigger and everything, I'll always get back to you. So please, guys, your feedback is very important. Let me know. Cool. Let's take this right here. This one we've already done something similar, so put it here. There. This one pretty simple again, guys. Just text icon, rectangle, text icon. There we go. T for text. Today's sales. Get an icon, press right. You want to make a button? Instead of making make a button, make sure you have a radius there, right? And then instead of a fill, click on stroke, remove the fill so that you can have a stroke instead of the fill. And here in the things, export. Then get your icon right next to it. This one, instead of thing, export, easy. Export, done. Then for the other three, I'll do one of them. I want you guys to try out the rest. Concept, there, right for rectangle, R for rectangle, 20. Press the color there. Circle, there. Get another icon. In this case, the user icon. Right click, bring it to front. Text, make sure. 8. Copy paste. Total customers. Make sure this is smaller so that it can fit there. And there at the bottom as well, 0.5% from yesterday. From yesterday. Cool, guys, you see? Make sure to play around with the colors so that it can make it look much nicer. Later on, we'll jump into why and everything. Don't worry, guys, don't worry. Basics first, basics first. Reduce this as well. Let's try 12. There we go. And that's how you get that done. Try it out. Let me know. Let me put this there. Make sure it's the same height. There we go. Take these three, put it there. And for this last one, pretty simple, guys. We'll jump into this later on again. P for pen tool. Do something like this. And then hold. Then hold. Draw the design and then hold. Draw the design and then hold. Draw the design and then hold. Something like this, guys. Right? And then you take this, make it thicker on the weight. Let's put it like to 5. Put that, pick a color, and design like 3 of those, right? And you just add the numbers there, and then all of these are lines, and then these are dotted lines as well. Guys, again, try this out and let me know. I really want you guys to try this out. Test it out. I want to show the most difficult part out of all of this is just these lines, you know? Everything else is literally the same. Here, guys, what do? This is just a circle. This is just a lines. These dotted lines, let me show you how to do these. For the dotted lines, you just take the R for rectangle, there, press that, go to stroke, and then go to extra settings here. You see here on the weight, right next to it, click on it, and then you get solid, click on the style solid, dashed, and then remove the fill. There's 2 of those, go back there, instead of the dash, put 1. 1 dash there, center. Put dashed, custom. There. Again, at a later stage, we'll come back to this, right? So yeah, guys, that's how you design this. Make sure you change the color as well. And then take this. This is more or less how you design a dashboard. Make this slightly longer. Not too much. Cool, cool, cool. Nice, guys. Nice, guys. There we go. So yes, guys, this is a Power B.I dashboard, right? We'll design a few more detailed ones later on in the series. So please like, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know what you think, whether you like these, whether you want to try something else. And guys, please have a good day, and I'll see you in the next episode.